Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. I received a question. Someone asked how to install and download Temu app on your mobile phone. There are two ways to install Temu app on your mobile phone. We recommend for you to install this from Google Play Store. So go to Play Store and type Temu app, Temu. Select on it. Select install. So the app is installing. This is the safest and most straightforward method. Just open the Google Play Store, locate and open the Google Play Store on your Android, then search Temu. Just tap on it, just like we did, and press enter. So it's installing. So it's now, here we go. So once it's done, then it's let open. So the app is opening up. Then it will show you welcome to Temu. Result for Temu. So it will show you products available on the app. Just need to scroll, or you can also search for any specific product you want. You see women, home, men, jewelry, sports, industrial, electronics, kids, crafts, bags, toys, beauty, office, automotive, health, baby, garden, household, pets, musical, appliances, food, books. So these are categories. You can also type specific product you want on top. So this is how to install Temu app on your mobile phone. And if you want to buy any product, you can just select on particular one. Once you find the product you want, then you select on it, then you can add it to cart. So this is the first option and the safest option to install Temu app on your mobile phone. How to uninstall it? Just select on the app on your mobile phone. It gives you option for you to uninstall. Then do you want to uninstall this app? Then you select OK. You can see the app is uninstalled from the phone. Now I want to show you another method. The second method is for you to go to Google, select Google, then type Temu, select Temu official. Then it will show you get. Once you select get, it will take you to Play Store for you to select install. So these are the two methods to install the app. Then you select install. So the app is now installing on my mobile phone. So these are the two ways to install Temu app on your mobile phone. And see the app is installing. Temu is an online marketplace that connects shoppers directly with manufacturers. Think of it as a giant global online mall where you can find everything from fashion, home decor, electronics, and beauty products, and often at very competitive price. So the app is getting ready. It's done. Then select open. And Temu business model is designed to cut out the middleman by working directly with a huge network of manufacturers. They can offer products at lower cost. They also use bulk purchasing power to negotiate even better deals and pass those savings directly to the consumers. So this is the app. Key features you will love is it got vast selection. The app add thousands of new products daily, so there is always something new and to also discover. You have free shopping and easy return. Most orders qualify for free shopping, and Temu offers a generous 90 days free return policy on many items, giving you that peace of mind when you purchase. The platform supports multiple secure payment methods and take data protection seriously to ensure your information is safe. So this is something that I thought to share with you. A few things to keep in mind. Delivery times depend on where the main item is shipped from. Sometimes it takes a bit longer when what you might be used to your local retailer. You can also check estimated delivery time on the app before you purchase. As with large marketplace, product quality can vary. We highly recommend reading review from other customers and looking at their photo to get real sense of the item before you add to cart. Thank you very much. This is how to install and download Temu app. And also, let's say if you want to buy any product, you just need to select on that particular product. Then it will give you option for you to select an option. You select the size. So the app is quite responsive and also see free shopping, free standard. It will show you the delivery. This is how to install Temu app on your Android, and thank you.